Hope everybody's good. On Twitter, they couldn't hear me. Guys, can we check to see if we have audio echo? All right, let's see what happens when I share this button. All right, how about now? Do I still sound good? Audio good? Everybody good? Check, check, check. If I sound good, no echo, hit me with a 999. If I sound good, no echo, hit me with a 999. If I got some echo, hit me with a 555. Okay, good. I figured it out. All right, people.
Sounds sexy.
Let's go. Let's make this happen. Let's get in, get green, get the fuck out. That's the name of the game today, people. Get in, get green, get the fuck out of here. Get out of Dodge. Want to move down and go higher. I want us to come get previous day low. I am bullish on the time frames, but I definitely want previous day low. We'll see if we can get anything here at opening drive macro. Bunch of consolidation, to be honest, though. All right, let's see what we do here. Sizing it down in the open. And once we get the short end, I'll be looking. Here's opening candle. This will be the first close below the inversion gap here. We should come down and get this low. No present breaker. Technically, this red candle up here was the breaker. Again, lower to go higher, as we call. No entry on the tape. Downside target is going to be 25,216. Good dial in. I mean, this is what we wanted to see, but could I get an entry on it? Can I get an entry? Can you give me an entry? You're not going to give me an entry. Whew. Man. Where's that thing going, Bright Man?
Bit of an entry X. If you look on the chart, you can see a breaker on the 1 minute, the 917 candle. It tagged it, immediately shot down. I took it.
Yeah, nice. This is this one I said the breaker. I didn't take that. Right it open. So the red candle that I pointed out, Bright Man got it. Again, it's the IFEG. I didn't expect it to just die off the way
Buddy,
it did.
I took that with you, man. That was an insane. That was LAF, wasn't it?
Yep, this is LEF, and we're looking for, again, price to go lower, to go higher. That's what I call it. And
yes, took it up.
I don't usually do this, though. Like, you would have had to short. And again, this is hindsight for me. Real-time call-out, real-time analysis, not a call-out. Pre-market analysis. You had to hit it right at 9:30. As soon as you saw the breaker, you had to hit it. And that means you would have had to trust the logic that we would go lower. Even if you're looking lower to go higher or lower to go lower, you're still looking at previous day low, right? In Alpha C right there. So big shout outs to Bright Man, and we'll call that redemption. I know you're feeling good, but good job, brother.
Unbeatable.
I got it with you, Bright Man.
Good
Nice
job.
work.
Good job, guys.
I got slippage though. I got some major slippage with Replicanta today.
Okay, but do you see this candle?
No, me too.
Yeah, that's like,
But
just
still.
look at this candle.
I'm pissed. I'm pissed about slippage.
The broker when you call the broker to complain, he's gonna be like, "Nigga, do you see this candle? This candle
Yeah.
is 90
Well, that's
point
why I'm
candle."
gonna complain. Like, dude, if you saw the slippage on this thing, you'd be
I
like,
can
"What
only
the hell?"
imagine. You know, this candle crazy. Like I can only imagine and how quick it dumps. And it's
Yeah.
market open. So market open, those orders are those pending orders get released. And that's my theory behind the big moves at 9:30 is the pending orders that hit.
I gotta say one other thing real quick, but
Go ahead.
rhythmic connection is much faster than Trade Evade.
Yeah, you like that better?
I'm just saying it when you're trade copying and whatever you can see Trade Evade Through Ninja Trade, well, at least through Ninja Trader, it's slow. It lags. Yeah. Rhythmic is much faster.
You guys have a potential Alpha C setup being set up here on gold. I know we're watching the NASDAQ. I'm not in the NASDAQ. I had to look away. We'll see what
Gold,
happens here.
do you need a different data feed for that, by the way? Some people might not have the data for gold.
You better get that gold data.
The gold data.
Daddy, get that gold
GC.
data.
The GC.
Big shout outs to Brightman. He's still in it? Oh, Alpha C hit. Alpha C hit.
I'm out of the short.
Good
I'm
job.
out of it.
Good job,
No,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Bright.
I had to take
Thanks,
it on my
Matthew.
trading. I
Thanks,
had to
man.
take it
I can feel
on the
I
trading
can
view
feel
with
you.
one con, so I got out. But it was
I can feel you
great. I made like over $300.
What you say, Magnet? You can feel the what now?
I can feel his energy, man. I'm so short.
Okay, and again, we got the other Alpha B. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, big time dump. Big time dump. I couldn't catch it. I didn't get the retest of this inversion. You caught the breaker. Brightman, just good job, bro. You dominated. Love to see people dominate.
All right, guys, I'm done for the day.
You
I
should
just
be.
traded all my PA accounts. I'm good. I'm green. So I'm just gonna chill. Moral support. I'm right here.
More support. I love it. All right, so got a bigger framework picture here. Now I know this is getting below the leg, but look at how we're sweeping. Alpha C confirmed higher. Again, part of the plan was to sweep these lows to go to reverse. So short for me is temporarily off the table. There's a green box on my screen that says alpha. Once we get below this box down here, that makes me bearish. But for now, I'm waiting to see what they're going to do here. Just trying to clean up my chart as we speak. One minute here, 5 minutes bearish, but then again, if I take this, I'm just going against all these moving averages. So for me, I'm going to stay neutral. Going to take a yander over to gold. Gold did not come down and sweep my area. Watching gold to see if we come down and sweep this area. Let's dial in here on gold. Put this on the 1 minute chart. All right. So if price gets above here, Alpha C will be our target, and then this will be my other target for gold.
Like this reversal inversion on the 1.
So for those of you who were fortunate enough to grab that first drive, good job. I would go all cash, walk away, get in, get green, get out. Frankie, were you able to catch it too?
Nope.
It was super quick. You had to be
It was
on
real
it. You had to be on it, like literally a millisecond on it, anticipating to drop at 9:30. Now here's an IFEG. We got a sweep of an alpha B, but I at least, at the very minimum, need price to get above the 21 EMA before I could buy. At the minimum, we swept major liquidity in a reversal area on a higher time frame. Undelivered relative equal highs on the 1 hour chart. Alpha C above. Moving averages will be against us here. If I do take this trade here, I will have to size down. So everybody here, size down. Moving averages are not in my favor, so I will size down. Sizing down. Smaller trade, not going to be heavy. Going to keep my contracts around 5 lots. 5 lots is going to be my contract size. All right, getting above our first potential area of a reversal. Again, this was the part of the plan. We was looking for price to sweep the lows. We got an alpha B setup that we swept. Price now getting above. I want to make this my breaker, but it didn't really close above anything. So damn, my breaker all the way up the top. I'm not going to do that. So if I don't get in on this inversion gap, I can't get in. Price got above it, so for the people who do no retest, there's your long. Me personally, I want to wait for price to retest. We're coming out of this macro, so again, draw the next macro. Next macro is 950 to 1010.
Long.
Let's see if we get a retest. Oh yeah, we don't want a retest. This is the play I was looking for. See what we do. Price did not close above the 21. Theoretically, we got a bearish 1 minute LEF going on right now. No, we don't. This didn't close above right here. No, this isn't sweet. So we'll be watching this, and I'm gonna be watching your boy Gold. Look at your boy Gold. We're watching two things at the same time now. Gold got the sweep. We're looking good on Gold. But you got a tiny target, but I got a runner's target because this is a dom range on a higher time frame. So we'll see what we can do here. Skrilla, I know you long. You long, Skrilla? Anybody that took this without a retest, you're looking good. You should target the
Skrilla,
930
great
high.
call.
Yeah, I'm
Low.
long, bro.
Great
I'm
Skrilla,
so
great Skrilla
long.
on that long.
Whoa.
Great Skrilla on that long, Skrilla. I took it when you called it, man. Great call out, man.
If you're long, you have room up to 272. If gold's going to go higher, this is going to be a breaker here. Has to get above. I'm going to just mark it there. Now, I wanted to punch in on gold. That means I'm going to have to, because I can only have one trading window open. So I'm going to have to type gold here and then get in on gold. If I want to. Oh, man. Let me see. Oh. Good stuff, Casey Dallas. One thing that I'm seeing, Casey Dallas says he's green on the analysis from above. He acted on it. He says he's green a certain amount. He says I'm done for the day. Traded 2 cons, not win like I should, not a gold win closing it down. But you still good job to Casey. One thing I'm noticing about you, brother, is that you come in and you just trade your shot and you get up out of here. Now, me personally, I couldn't align with anything. This is my game plan. Maybe I'll do this inversion here, but this is a wide inversion. If we invert, in the rare case that this happens, if we hit this inversion gap without taking this blue line, I'm going to get long and target this high up here. Now, honestly, the high is up here. This is an old alpha C. So this is just buy side liquidity. So let's clean that up. All right, possible buy coming in. Again, guys, because I'm going to be not late to the party, I couldn't get a retest. Retest of this gap is going to put me in the trade. I am sizing down. Sizing down. Everybody hit me with a 444. If you hear me saying that, I'm going to size down. Using an alpha range in a old 1 hour expansion leg. I am. You talking about this here? And I said that this morning. That's because look at the daily. The daily is the internal. You got the gap. That's why I'm using it. Because price could come into the gap and deliver the high from the daily, internal and external. So yeah, the alpha framework is what I'm going to use to deliver that high. That makes sense. So it's like combining my model with logic. This is honestly that's ICT logic. We're running sell side delivery to buy side. Like we should definitely get previous day high today. Sweep down low. We should definitely tag this high. It's going to be quick, 272. I'm not going in there shooting just for 272. Like I'm going to be shooting for a lot higher than 272. Honestly, here. These blue lines. If I get in right now, these blue lines are where I'm going to get in or where I'm going to target. Got a little BTR here. It's a tiny one imbalance. Still in balance though. Questions, guys? Anybody got any questions? Brightman did a great point, and again, while we're waiting, usually I use the more current 1 hour expansion, but theoretically we're all trading the old bearish leg. But this leg that I was pointing out, which would be this low and this high, is an older leg. But when you go to the daily, I know I got lines everywhere now from the smaller time frames. You not only do you have the inversion, Brightman, off the daily, you have the internal from the inversion in the liquidity sweep. We should hit this gap and hit that high. So that's bias wise. So if I got an older one that helped me deliver that, I'm gonna take it. Hope that makes sense to everybody. So the gold. Oh, I missed gold. I told you. Look at what gold did. Oh, ain't nobody keep me off. This gold. I told you about gold. And that's the hard thing to do is to watch two different assets. Anybody take gold from the call? Like rewind the tape. Rewind the tape. Anybody was able to take this gold play? Because this was solid. This was solid right here. Hit me with a 444 if you was able to take this gold play. This is LAF. Uh-oh, Anna took it. We got somebody that took it. Anybody in the Twitter crowd was able to take the gold play from what I just called. And the one thing about gold, and that's why I keep saying, Brightman, go test gold, go test gold. The moving averages on both the 1 and the 5, for whatever reason, they line up all the time. I don't know why, you know what I mean? But that's what it is. So we'll see if I can get my NASDAQ long. But again, gold, this was the play, the move. So I'm very happy about that. I looked away. I was looking at the NASDAQ. Whatever. So it's hard to watch two different assets at the same time. I'm gonna have to stick some other real estate just for gold here. Waiting on the macro. Good job, Anna. All right, here comes the macro. Macro's engaging time. Skrilla, you still holding?
No, fam, I cut at 65.
Nice.
I just didn't feel like we had. That was the opening candle where it started dumping, and I closed right around that 60 area. I think it got to I got it like 63 or something. Was whatever. It was still a nice play. It was good.
What's getting easier, Smurf? The market? Yeah, I mean, gold just has it going on. Gold is the hot market right now, right? So the hot market is going to have the buyers. You know, the Nasdaq's always going to be a volatile market because it's the U.S. economy, not the total. It's the tech side of the economy. We're getting above this gap, but gold has an fluctuation of buyers. So in my opinion, it's going to be cleaner to trade. Now, I don't want it to take out this high. I want it to retest and go. Let's see, it's going to take it. So we took the high. I'm still considering the buy on the because we're in the macro. I'm still considering the buy on the inversion right here. I got an alpha C above, an old alpha C. Draws the liquidity higher. I don't foresee it turning around and going to zero. So technically, we had two analysis plays hit. There's nothing I could do. Like I missed this one. I'm sorry. I missed it. It is what it is. It's hunting me right now. Look at gold. Beautiful, bro. Off the breaker. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I got this half-ass setup from NASDAQ here. half-ass Nazi. And hit my boy Pippy up. Welcome everybody that's watching here on X. Question is, will we dip into the gap and get me in, or will we continue to go without me? You should come get me though. I just wish this was a breaker, bro. This was a breaker, I already got in. Ah, it's leaving me. Next target's going to be here. Couldn't get in, couldn't engage. Big Dave. Long time, bro.
Yeah.
What up, bro? I missed. I didn't miss it. I just didn't catch it, man. I missed it, y'all. I'll be honest with you guys. I missed the gold move. Nasdaq didn't give me an entry. It followed my analysis, but didn't give me an entry. Which is part of the game. I ain't gonna trip about it. I'm not a big fan of this pullback here, but I might have to take what I can get. I'm feeding in right now. I need it. They're like, nope. You say you're not a big fan, huh? let me take you off by a tick. Gotta have discipline. All right, back on the gap. My finger's on the trigger. Let's see what it does. Off the moving averages. Got an order block here to the left. I'm about to smack it. I'm in it. That's going to be my one play. Let's see, we can go back to alpha. See, now again, guys, I did size down. I'm not sized heavy. I'm lighter. It allows me to have a little bit wider of a stop. I am lighter, not sized heavy. All right. Limitless will reconvene after market. We should at least come get these two highs up here. This immediate high is what we should get. Come on, come on. I need some other side of the thing. Off the inversion, off the 20. Up a little bit, like I said, I did size down. Just want to look at gold for a second. Damn, came back. Gold pulling back, maybe to give you another one.
X, why don't you just open another window right there?
Like have a duel.
Like, you can have the dual screen on this one screen right now.
Fucks me up. Every time I do it, fucks me up. It really does.
Flipping back and forth is faster for you.
No, it doesn't make no sense. It's like can I execute on both, or would they have two different DOMs? I guess.
No.
Okay.
No, I don't think.
Yeah, because the
Maybe.
minute,
I don't know.
the
I'm not
minute I pick gold, on, if you haven't noticed, to the left is all NASDAQ, ES, and then it's all gold.
Yeah.
The minute gold comes over here with indices, just bad things start happening. I be looking at gold thinking it's NASDAQ and shit. You know what I mean? It's just,
yeah,
you know,
I
and
know.
that's with me. So I'm in play. Again, I did size down. Super green on the week, so I'm going to hold on for now. I don't want to see it really getting below the low of this order block here. I wanted to hold on to these moving averages, which did, by the way, flip bullish slightly.
55 is the 50% level for the day right now. So if you bounce, you could be bouncing off this 55 now.
When you say day level, are you looking at today's range, previous day's range?
Yeah, so I take the opening and go all the way to the top and then go to all the way to the bottom, and then 50% of that is now.
So 9:30 open or from 6 a.m.? 6 p.m.
No, from 6 p.m. last night.
To the high. So 6 p.m. last night until the 9:30 open.
No, to the day low right now.
The Skrilla range.
Moves all the way, all the time, right?
Okay. That's interesting.
So the day technically high is like around 25,338, and the day low is 25,171. So the middle of that is 25,255. And we pre-market, if you look, we were just after we got that sweep back down and came back up, we kind of like hovered around those the daily, the halfway point, and then now we're bouncing out of it again. So, too lazy didn't read. It could bounce right here and go back up higher. Yep.
See if we get a bouncy. Come on, hit my target one. We can go bam for a bun.
Oh, we're going M for M.
Bill for Bill. We talking about Bill Gates. We could go Bill for Bill after you take that tablet. One of these songs, he was like, "Bitch, shut up and take that tablet." His little accent it was just so funny, bro. Just had me rolling. Central C, he's a funny guy, man. His jewelry selection is pretty dope, though. I give him that. Dude has the best chains around. Not liking it. This was its attempt. If it grabs this low, I'm really not a big fan. I know some of the other traders be like, yo, you should take profit. Well, the red line here is where I was shooting for price to at least go to. So that would have been my take profit. If we got up there, I would have took something and moved a stop to break even. Still, give it time to work. We're still good. I think that we're good as long as we stay above this order block here inside. So I know it's going to look kind of weird, but I'm going to draw this out here. I'm going to move this to the left so you can see its inversion gap. I'm going to hold this here as an order block. Like I said before, we came in, we did size down on the play. I did size down here on the play. Moving averages or bullish, that's what's keeping me alive here. Pretty much back to break even. If you don't like it, you can get a safety cut out here now, but as long as we hold this OB, I'm cool with holding trade. Was looking good at one point. Let's see what we do. Let me see us on a different time frame. We could take a yander and see what gold did. Did gold come back? Gold came back and went higher. Still in this macro, still dealing with this trade. If we don't flip here soon, I'm just going to off the trade. Moving averages are still bullish. TC. Still in, just waiting. Not the fun part of the game, but trading is waiting. Waiting is trading. Is today Wednesday? Today Wednesday? these dudes at? Oh, I was supposed to be on the space. Today is Wednesday. Let me get going. Told you guys. Hope you're not mad at me. Looking at a 15-minute chart.
This trade is looking better now.
Looking at a 15-minute chart. Just go to a 15-minute chart, everybody. Turn off everything. Look how clean this range sweep is. See this sweep of this low? You see this high? This was previously low into the block. I'm holding. I'm holding. Clean.
Exactly, yeah. That's what I think protected me well.
This is where she has the potential bounce for me on 4 hour. Yeah, so let's see.
That is like,
I hope you guys heard me when I said I.
She's playing, but I like the range though. I really like the range. Let's see gold again. Still in this play. It's coming to get me, but again, like I told you, I sized down on this play. Moving averages are together. They flip red. I want to be out. Let's play with the cloud I'm working on. Still not giving me my signal that I need. I'm still working on this part of the code, guys. Just gonna have to give me some time with it. Still inside the order block. I like the range on the 15 that we took. Let me see here. Getting below the order block. My stop's right below the FFG. It's not looking good for me. It looks like I may get tagged out. If I get tagged out, all good. Like I said, I did size down. I recognize that the play is still valid. But realistically, my entry was down here. I just couldn't get a retest. So I had to take the wider gap, which I got right here. But I really like the if I take it up to a 15-minute chart, really like the fact that this range is present. And if you take it up higher, you came into the daily fair value gap after inverting and sweeping. So I'm looking for this high. So logically speaking, still there. You might just run me through the ringer a little bit, but it's there. I'm holding. Let's try to make this a little bit smaller. Now we're flipping red here on the cloud.
stair stepping. She gave us a VWAP, multiple VWAP projection.
Ah, man. Let's see. All right, so I'm getting tagged out. I'm all out. I got tagged out to the left. Now, the thing is here, play still valid, play still in check. I just took my max loss, but I took it on my minimum size. So I didn't lose much. I'm okay. Don't forget, coming into the day with the combination of everything that we've done today, I was up over 20 G's on the week. So me losing about 2K here, I'm totally fine in comparison. So I did take an L though. I would take that trade again. The only thing I would have done better though is like if I could have got in down here, I would have got in down there. In my opinion, we're still on the table. Let's go to 1 hour chart. Let's do 1 hour chart. I still think the long's on the table for now. Yeah, I was looking again this range here, as you guys see, from this low to this high is what I was looking for just now. So I'm 0 for 1 here on stream, even though I called out a couple good plays. The play that I took lost. All good, all good. Still traded best system in the world. Trying to see if I can find a 5-minute alpha. I'm not going to. So the only thing I got now, let's see if we go back out to this gold chart and see what we got. Hey, how do you put alerts on the chart? Can I put an alert here? Anybody know how to put alerts from TradingView? No, this is not. This is invalid. This would be valid then. And we did not take this high, so it's just creation. We have to wait. Waiting on development there. Here on 5, let's see. You guys can hear me. If you guys can hear me, hit me with 444. Slightly red on the day. I've been red to green multiple times. I got a 1 minute. I got a 1 minute, Brady, if you're there. But I won't have an entry here. You guys can hear me, right? Why can't I hear nobody, see anybody? Oh, what up, Dave?
You can hear us?
I can hear you now.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now.
I can hear you. Yeah, I just haven't been talking. Just sitting here watching this.
Then we go back up to 289.50.
I really would want it to come back to your alpha B and sweep fully and then come back up. If otherwise you're just playing in the middle here, diddle in the middle, and we're not going to do that.
Still haven't.
That's where you get.
I need moving averages to the flip.
Yeah, no.
So we're in development in both gold and Nazi. Way the cookie crumbles, man. All right, so far I got nothing to chart, no plans, nothing. I'm chilling. I'm still in the camp though. We do go higher from this range. Can't form any new alpha framework here. I did take everybody that's listening. I did take win loss here today. Solid day yesterday. Very small loss here today. After calling the short and the long, motherfucker. This is gold, by the way. No, yeah, I'm coming off Nazi. I'm looking at gold. I'm not gonna be able to take that, even though I like this as a range. Oh man. What about the bed, man? About 10:20. So far, nothing for me on the chart. Nothing for me to do yet. Hey, Skrilla, man, was the guy that's the Department of War? Was he? This look like an F. No, this is an F-18. He's in the back.
Yeah, he was in the back of the F-18.
F-18. Yeah. Okay. At first, I was like, "This is
I
an
think he went to
F-16."
Top Gun School, Southern California. This is the same ones I believe they use for like the Blue
Navy.
Angels or
Yeah.
the whatchamacallit. Yeah, the when they take the civilian or people for celebrities and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's F-18. Yeah, I was like, wait. At first, I thought that was the F-16. I was like, he's flying that by himself. Then I saw the struts in the background. I was like, that's the F-18. Yeah, man. He's a cool dude, man. He
They give him
survived.
a special badge. He got a special helmet. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I like the guy. I think he's a good
Candidate. Got a little
Yeah, I mean-
sweep here.
but it didn't get it to the tick, X. Is that considered a sweep?
This one got it.
Which one are you looking at?
The low of 10-15. It's not a sweep
I
yet.
was looking at your Alpha B.
Oh yeah, I got it already over here. Because the Alpha B came.
Yeah, I was
down.
waiting for it to fully resweep and then go back out.
A retest.
Yeah. But listen, I'm green on the day. There's no reason to push this anymore, so I might just shut it down. Okay, well, there you go.
Here's your retest.
Yep.
Boom! Aggressive selling. Aggressive selling just happened. All right, we're flipping it up. So I was looking long. This is starting to take the long off the table here in a bit. All consecutive lows here, so I
Looks
don't
like
have
we're getting a change of character on higher time frames too.
you know. Let's see, go.
Yeah, break of structure already on the 30. Yeah, we had change of character on the 1 hour already. Yeah. Break of structure on the 15. Yep. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That's a 100-point drop. Hey, Wendy, are you still using TradeSyncer? I think it's just you and me now. No one else.
What on TradeSyncer?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, these firms are trying to get rid of that too slowly.
They implemented they worked together and they implemented. Why is just because I see your renewal. Just, it doesn't say specifically you, but I just assume it's you because no one else, there's no other monthly renewals now. I thought Slay was using it, but it seems like he's out too. So it's just the two of us. It works solid. I mean, people bitch and moan about it, unfortunately, but they don't realize that it's a Tradevate or Project X connection. It's not, it's not necessarily within the trade syncer's issue or hands. They don't control the platform. But I'm gonna say, like, it's been like 3-4 months I've been using it. Not one time I've had a reverse position. Kenny, look at that. Oh, nice work, bro.
Kenny J. Oh no,
No,
that's
Ken
Kim
Master
Master Sue.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Ken Master Sue, yeah. This is just free falling.
Yeah, no, this is dying,
What
man.
happened? Did something said in the news? Let's look at the news feed.
None there.
Nada. Hmm. I just chased and caught 50K eval, passed it to a PA. Why not?
I'm not messing with it. Market died. I was looking to the opposite side. Took a small, very small L. I'm okay with it. Insane drop, insane in the membrane. And it's like, dude, every time we get close to this top of this 1 hour range, it's just, I really wanted us to get out of this range. I really did. Don't tell me we're going back inside the range. No, 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 no. Please come back. We want to get out of it and get back to trending, because that is slightly frustrating. No play, no execution here. There's nothing I can do. Yeah, I got nothing, man. I'm about to just walk away, bro. I'm about to call it. It's over for me for right now. Not over, but it's just I took a small loss. So I'm cool. My trading day might be done though. I'm okay with that though. Yeah, I don't got nothing, man. Market playing around. I got a range here on gold that you can play. It's not an alpha range, but it's just a clean range. Here we tagged the low. Here we missed the low. Is there SMT with gold? I don't trade gold like that. I'm guessing silver would be the SMT. The corresponding pair. So look at this range here. Somebody check silver and tell me if they missed out on this 930 low. In the meantime, I'm going to prep. Let's see what we do, gold. I gotta have the data. Can't trade it. Let me go make a call.
That's what I said. That's
Yeah,
what I was
I
talking
didn't pay
about,
for
bro.
that. I'm gonna pay for it. I didn't know I'd use it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's in the CME. I think it's in the NY one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I only pay for the CME because I only trade Nasdaq. I can trade on Top Step though, right? Let me see. We'll see right now. Let's see. Gold. Yeah, you can trade on Top Step. Let's see.
All right, team. I'm out. Have a great rest of your day.
Squilla Scott.
We'll talk at you guys later. Tomorrow's a new day. Get that new money.
Yeah, I'm about to be done here in a bit too.
Yeah, this is
I don't have any
the
type
move
of.
was made. I got 2 pieces. I got a double scoop. Not I didn't bank I didn't kill, but I got decent.
It makes money,
But
yeah.
that's all I need.
It makes
Green
money.
and out. Yep.
Get in, get green, get out, brother. I'm with you on that.
I'm trying to stick to healthy habits.
Now you just need to get in the gym.
Exactly. 100% correct. All right, man. Talk to you. Take care of the team.
All right, brother. Market is done, dying. Not giving you no 1 minute expansion. Not giving you nothing. Just going lower, bro. It's like forget all about. Let's see. I would have to use this whole block for alpha setup here. So the only way I'm gonna be able to get in is a 1 minute. Bright, you there or you dip?
I'm here. What's up?
After you're short, you stay flat.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Now it's in my 150. Yeah. Just chilling for the next alpha range to develop.
I'm considering this 1 minute. Let's see what this is going to do. It hasn't. There's nowhere near enacting yet, but we take this little. I could use this too. Go to a 15. Where's the high of this candle? Go back down to 1. Is that imaginary? And where would we target? Let's see. Where would we target? You would expand. It'd be down here. These 2 lows. Hold up, I'm just readjusting everything. All right, these 2 are my downside targets. But I got no way to get in. 0 for 1 on the day, 0 for 1 on the stream. Small loss, but still very, 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 very strong week for your boy. Just following the system, man. Just following the system. That's all you got to do is follow the system over and over and over and over again. Over and over and over again. Over and over again until you become
Unbeatable.
and then you just chill, man. I doubt that I'm going to get an entry here. Waiting to see if we can get some type of retracement back. Still working on the same code, man. This code's gonna be the death of me. What up, Alex?
Morning, guys.
Hey, and I use I just paid for the CME because I only trade the Nasdaq. The one is like $4 a month. I didn't know I would venture off back into gold, but I'll handle that today.
I pay for those.
Yeah, I didn't trade gold. Like I dropped gold a long time ago, and oil. I used to trade gold and oil back in the day. I used to be the oily. They used to call me the oily boy.
Yeah. Also, you need a backup market, man.
Yeah, but I got it on Ninja though. I can trade it on Ninja.
That's good. That's fine.
Yeah, so for now I can trade it on Ninja. I can trade it on Prop. Just for this streaming account that you guys see in front of you, only pay for data for one because I'm streaming. Yeah,
That's good. So price is coming back inside the levels I have on my chart from Monday. I have the opening range gap levels, quadrants, and our price it's coming inside the half of it, 50%, and now it's going to come back inside 25.014 I'm looking for today. I got a little bit chopped up this morning. I got the short. Man, I tried to catch the long, but I caught a little piece of it. I got shot, and then I caught again the short. I targeted the last.
So I couldn't get the long off the open because I just don't trade the 930 candle. It's very rare that you will see me trade the 930 candle. So you had to catch it. Yeah. We called it, and then the long just didn't give me the retest. And by the time the long gave me a retest, it was this inversion here, and that's where I got in at. And then when price got below the inversion, I got out. So this was my only trade.
That's why I don't trust anymore the electronic data anymore. I'm not trusting it anymore.
You're not trusting what?
I'm just looking at it.
This was the clean setup. It just fell. You know, this is part of the game. You know that's not wrong with that. It is market direction. Market goes from bearish to bullish. It's a reversal, right? In the trade I took, I was so small sized on. You know, like in order for you to learn how to win, you got to learn how to lose. And I feel like I lost gracefully there. And then I didn't go tilt. I didn't take 15 other trades. I didn't go this way, that way. I'm waiting for LEF to develop. And if I can't find it, I just gotta sit here.
Yeah, you could if you took the short for the first presented, right? If you watch the first presented get above it, then you got retested, was used as an inversion, and price dumped because I'm looking at 2 minute, a 2 minute, 1 minute chart here, and price uses the first presented, consolidates above, comes down, sweeps it down, boom. If you hold it till here, if you hold it through right now where prices is right now, you can have a 7-hour trade, man, which is great.
And if you help from the open trade, yeah, fucking you made a lot of money.
Yeah, but I just had the 2-hour trade, so I just got out after we swept the last low we have here, the 171 low. So I'm not in any play right now. I'm just watching where price stopped right now. It stopped right at the opening range gap levels for Monday. So now look, price is bouncing back from there.
I just wasn't comfortable trading today, X, because of just how we was looking on the hour, especially after the LAF hit at the opening drive. And
Yeah.
then the way our chart was choppy like that, I've never traded how I am in profit right now. I've never traded with the market looking like that. I need like a expansion leg on the hour, so I wasn't comfortable taking anything.
A fresh one, a good one, you know, because the expansion leg I was operating from on this morning, that was internal.
Right.
Yeah, I feel you. Then again, all reasons why I sized down on the Wine trade, right? Everybody, the Wine trade, and it's there. And honestly speaking, the attempt was very clean, especially if you could have got in down here. You just didn't get a retest. Like, if you caught this with a retest, oh, bro, I'd have been. And then the moving average wasn't. Just a lot going on to say no. So, we'll see. We'll wait. Right now, we got expansion lower. We did hit one of the targets. This is going to present a 1 minute gap here. You can make this kind of fugly, but you can make this an alpha B. And that'll put here as alpha C if we get it. Current time.
This is high probability. This is high probability inversion here, man. That it needs to get retested because I have the quadrant levels on it.
Yeah.
I think it's high probability long here. I don't know.
1 second. All right, I'm now unmuted everywhere. We got an expansion leg lower. I can see an expansion set up to the bottom of this area here. We didn't sweep. We did take that high up there, but let's see. Now, between these two areas is a 15-minute PD array. You already got alpha B. Let's see if we continue down. Bright, if you're there, looking for bearish continuation here. Maybe we will get that red to green. Just about waiting, man. Just waiting. Catch the next play. I posted something that says, and it's very important that you guys pay attention to this. The quote went something like, detach from your emotions, detach from the outcome of each trade. You're not here to be emotional. You're here to trade your edge. And if you just remember that, on the bad days, we'll be all right. All right, guys. We'll be looking to see. Well, technically, this is the alpha B's here. We're going to be looking to see. So we'll go to the. No, you already delivered this. It's my fault. You already did this because this is the A. This would be the B, right? You pull back, hit the B. That was the C. You delivered it. So no short. No short for now. Drop out to the 5.
Man, look at these levels, man. Get respected like that, man. Absolutely. But, man, I'm telling you, ICT just revealed the PDRA matrix, man.
PDRA matrix.
Man, every single level that he pointed. I mean, the level he was talking about is Fibonacci levels, right? The quadrants and measurements of the weeks, the previous weeks. The PDRAs are just get respected everywhere on those levels, man. Look at this. I mentioned that the price is gonna stop. It's gonna stop at this level I mentioned, like 25,058. And look at what price is doing right now. It's reversing back up, man. It's fantastic.
Fantastico. All right, hold on 1 second.
This looks like a market maker buy model. Dump market sell. Buy cheap. Sell expensive.